Hey friends, Brian Pendarvis here, putting together a little video of a recent project we did. Earlier this summer we was contacted by a local construction company, and this is what they needed to do. This is on the McGurk Beach Jetty ocean outlet right north of LAX. This is 40 years of saltwater corrosion. They were tasked with replacing all the steel and a bunch of the concrete as well. That's the front gate, and here I am walking up after this whole thing was installed in November and December. We're walking up to the high panel and the gate. So the pickets, the vertical members, are a 2-inch square FRP material. The rest of this is 316L stainless. 8-inch channel, 8-inch square tube, 3-inch 3/8 wall angle. And here we are, some photos of I went through the front gate, and now I'm walking out towards the ocean through the short gate. So on the right and the left you'll see these 8-inch I-beams FRP and also the pickets. Here I am down at the end of the jetty looking at the wave protection barrier. 8-inch W-beam, 2x8 rec tube, 3/16 wall, 3/3 angle, and a lot of 1/2-inch stainless plate, all 316L material. Our customer took out the old one and replaced the new one. What we're looking at is called the wave protection barrier. And so basically this is an ocean outlet. As rainwater from the city comes out in the ocean, they are protecting the waves from going inside, and like I said, it's called the wave protection barrier. All this was installed by the general contractor. You can see down below some of the joints. This was all designed and modeled at our shop at Pendarvis Manufacturing. The customer gave us the drawings, and we've created all the models in shop. That's the wave protection barrier. You see some of the 1/2-inch brackets. Our customer did all the removal and installation. More of the 8-inch W-beam, 2.5 angle, 1/2-inch plate, 2x8 rec tube, 3/16 wall, all 316L material, and all the hardware is also 316L. Here you can see a part of the South Bay. To the right is towards Santa Monica, to the left is Hermosa. So here I am walking back from the short gate to the tall gate. You'll see the vertical pickets and the horizontal I-beams. Those are all FRP, but every 12 or 15 feet is these posts we fabricated at our shop in Anaheim, 8-inch square. So here's the back side of the front end gate, and here I am peering over the bay. Next time you fly out of LAX, do a quick look out the right window. You'll see the McGurk Beach Jetty ocean outlet right outside your window. So here I am. That beach is called Toes Beach, and here's some other pictures of the fabrication we did. There's the posts, pickets, and a little sun shot on the end. Peace out from Anaheim, friends.